So you know a lot about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. These both students, speakers, they are giving you a lot of information. Something else also is needed? Not required, na? Okay. Suppose I say Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was an emblem of, name some of them, was an emblem of sacrifice, leadership, pardon? Self-reliance, of course, wisdom, single-mindedness, that he took plenty of those decisions, which sometimes if he had not been there, it would have been a different state. Like many countries on this land of India, what we call as India today, would have been there. Like Jodhpur and all that I mentioned yesterday, that is in Rajasthan. Rajasthan would have been a different nation. Gujarat would have been a different nation. Madhya Pradesh would have been a different land. And then those southern states, all southern states, they would have gone to a different country. There's a number of countries on this land, and the number of visas would have been needed. So this is all dedicated to him, and this is how sometimes he achieved, because he was meant only for one thing, that nation is at last. He never worked for his own self. That is how sometimes when we talk of, though differences could have been there, but when it came to nation, he always stood along with others. And that freedom that people have been vying for or looking for, that has been a contribution of all those people, those who fought for it. Not one man, of course. That is how sometimes we remember all those people, whether it is Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, or maybe anybody else. So that is how it is. You can just be on your feet and have a pledge on this particular day, because Government of India takes it as National Unity Day. It is since 2000 sometimes, for the number of years that we have been celebrating as Vigilance Awareness Week also, and National Unity Day also. Once Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birthday comes, so they go along with that. Vigilance Awareness Week, that we should be aware of what is for the country and what is for the selfish goals. Selfish goals are to be forsaken and nation has to be given. That is how, like what we do, that all should be to contribute for the progress of this particular country, this particular motherland of ours, nation of ours. That is what the message of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel has been. So you can have that pledge position. Rashtriya Ekta Divas Pledge. I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation, and also try hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country Jai Hind.